Why should flexible manufacturing be your top priority? And how exactly does flexible production keep your beauty products ahead of the curve? Reason 1. Rapid switch over. Traditional production lines follow a rigid end-to-end process, where a single mold change can result in days of downtime. In contrast, modular flexible production features rapid adjustments, for instance, featuring a quick changeover. Aerosol factories can switch between different capping specifications in a short time to meet different customers' demands. Reason 2. Support small batch production, constrained by rigid production lines. Traditional cosmetic factories rely on high-mock mass production models. However, flexible manufacturing facilities support modular production with a mature supply chain. Hence, the mock typically ranges from 500 to 1,000 units, bringing economies of scale to small batch production. Reason 3. Consistent product quality. Equipped with smart digital systems, even under a high-frequency line switching, flexible production lines ensures consistent product quality for every batch, from precision filling to intelligent packaging. Reason 4. Rapid market entry. By combining batch consolidation with flexible production, cosmetics factories can receive more low-mock orders, allowing startup beauty brands to benefit from leading industry giants' supply chains. You can launch new beauty products faster while mitigating inventory risk. Want to amplify your brand advantages with flexible production? We are a beauty factory providing flexible manufacturing via ODM and OEM. Contact us today to start your journey powered by flexible beauty production.